Hello, this is the deep terminal. It's not here actively at the moment because I have it at home working up, but that's not what this is about. You can check that video out. But this is a QR code to what I'm actually going to show right now, which is how you can do things in the terminal as well. Come look. So if we go here. Okay, so this is the online repo for the deep terminal. This is where you can actually add it to your computer and like mess around with it, add commands if you wanted to, see how it works. It's only a public version, so it's not going to be the exact same, but it is pretty close. And it should have enough for you to actually know how to add commands. So I'll also have a manual. I'll add to this in the future, but right now I'll just show you how to add this to your computer, which that's what this is doing. So you're going to want to first clone the repo, copy this, go to whatever you're using, which in this case I'm using VS Code. Paste it. It's cloning it. So once we have it, you can refresh. And there's the actual code itself. So I'm just going to go into that directory. Okay, cool. Clear this, make it look better. Okay, so now that I'm in here, I also have to install the requirements, which in this case, I have a couple things. These are the ones that are for the one that's physically there, like the one on campus. You don't actually have to have these ones, you just need Pygame. But I'm going to go ahead and install all of them. I think I have that command still here. Right quick. Right here. Okay. Yeah, so run this pip install -r requirements.txt. It's also on the guide online. Run that. I already have everything installed, so it's just going to take like 2 seconds. Cool. Okay. So now that we have that, we can actually run it. Python 3 main. So here we go. Now here's the actual terminal itself. You can see what we have if you just type in help. You can see the commands that are available and the ones that are in the actual physical one. One of the fun ones is black hole mapping. I won't go too in depth explaining it, but we can just run it real quick. We'll do the 2-dimensional version. So you want to scan, find a black hole, send a probe. There he goes. Redshift. Okay, now we know where the black hole is. We can get all its data, information, just some cool stuff. That's the, actually we'll show you what that code looks like. If you go to commands, you can find the black hole mapping. Here it is right here. There's a lot with it. But that's just, this is just the structure of the terminal. If you actually go to the terminals, you can go to the deep terminal, which is like the main one. Go up here, you can actually find the commands themselves. It's not really that hard to actually add commands once you look into it a little bit. I'll have the manuals right here, so you can actually just plug this into an AI and it'll go step by step with you. But once you have a command or something that's working, you could probably just email me, or I don't know, if in the future, this is long in the future, you probably just add it yourself to the physical terminal. But yeah, so that's basically it. Mess around with this, see what you can find, see what you can do. Maybe you can get something cool. Yeah, that's the deep terminal.